Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. Next case is cause number 332006. State case is style of State of Texas versus Paul G. Bill. Mr. Bill, was that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Bill?
Good.
I'm doing fine. Thanks, Mr. Bill. You're here represented by your attorney John West. Attorney West, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. Thank you.
Mr. West, Mr. Bill's case is on the court's announcement docket. What is your announcement?
Your
Mr.
Honor,
Bill?
I spoke with the state earlier about this case. They requested a little more time to look at the video and for us to get together and talk about it. So I think they're asking for a resetting to do that.
Is that correct, Mr. Johnson?
That's correct, Your Honor.
So case is gonna be reset to give you time of discovery, get more discovery and to negotiate. Give us a reset date. This case will be reset to March 17th of 2023. Mr. Bill, your attorney will sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Please stand on the 4X. Make a sign for the reset. Next case is clause number 332752. Case of style of State of Texas versus Serena Johnson. Ms. Johnson, your full name Serena Johnson?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Ms. Johnson?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Ms. Johnson. You're here represented by your attorney John West. Attorney West, what is your announcement, Ms. Johnson?
Your Honor, this case, me and the state have talked about this. We believe this case should be one of cases perfect for pretrial diversion. We're going to request that and see if we get accepted. And if we do, then we'll sign the contract and do that.
Okay, we're gonna reset this to the second week in April.
Whatever date the next.
Yeah.
Y'all know when it is better than I do.
Yeah, well, the next pretrial is in February. You don't have enough time to get in there, so
Exactly.
the one after that is gonna be in April.
Okay.
Right, okay, this case will be reset to April 17th, Ms. Johnson. Your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Okay. Next case is cause number 323550. This case is on the court's motion to revoke probation docket. It's Paul Cassius. Okay, this is cause number 323550. Case is style of State of Texas versus Paul Jr. Cassius. Mr. Cassius, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Cassius?
Pretty good.
That's good, Mr. Cassius. You're here represented by your attorney Laura Perazo. Attorney Perazo, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
And the state is represented by attorney Lamar Johnson. Attorney Johnson, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. Thank you.
And the probation office is represented here by Mr. Gary Gilliam. Mr. Gilliam, how are you doing?
Oh, thank you, sir.
Mr. Gilliam and Mr. Johnson, do we have a recommendation in this case?
Yes, sir. We'd like to reset the case for 60 days. The defendants agreed to make a $200 payment today. complete his community service by the 60 days, and then pay the rest of the balance by that date, or if not have it paid, show his tax return status that it's coming.
And is that acceptable with the defendant, Ms. Peraza?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, give us a now how much time do y'all need? 60?
60, sir.
Okay,
March 10th.
okay. This case will be reset till March 10th of 2023. Mr. Cassius, your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
And Ms. Peraza, I think this is your only case?
Well, Your Honor, actually, there is one case I was gonna fill in for Mr. Boudreaux. for.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Get a Flores. Marco Flores. Okay. Marco Flores. Next case is called number 328-800. Case is style of State of Texas versus Marco Antonio Flores. Ms. Peraza. Mr. Flores, your full name is Marco Antonio Flores?
Yeah.
How you doing, Mr. Flores? I'm doing fine. Now, Mr. Flores, you're represented in this case by your attorney, Don Boudreaux. However, Mr. Boudreaux is not here. Standing in for Mr. Boudreaux is attorney Laura Peraza. Does Ms. Peraza have your permission to stand in for your attorney, Don Boudreaux? You have to speak up.
Yeah.
Okay. Ms. Peraza, what is your announcement in Mr. Flores' case?
Okay, I'm sorry, I just want to make sure this is, excuse me.
Unless he has a no.
For 1 second. Your Honor, I was actually, I can fill in for Mr. Boudreaux for, Mr. Flores, but the defendant that I was supposed to be filling in for today was, Leonardo Cruz.
Cruz is on here too.
But I can make an announcement for Mr. Boudreaux as well, if Mr. Flores is okay with that. He's one of my colleagues.
Yeah, no.
I can make an announcement
Okay.
on behalf of Mr. Boudreaux for him too. I wanted to make sure that that wasn't the same person. But I
Okay.
wasn't aware of.
No, that's
Mr.
okay.
Flores. I apologize.
And what is the announcement in
Your Honor.
Mr. Flores' case?
Yes, sir. If we could just have a 30-day reset to allow sufficient time for Mr. Boudreaux to meet with him and go over all of his discovery.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to March 17th of 2023. Mr. Flores, you're gonna stand on the X, get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. Stay in contact with your attorney, Mr. Don Boudreaux. And you have a blessed day. Cruz not here. I see that. That door is closed, sir. You gotta go through the other door. That door is locked. Butler's not here. Elliot Butler's not here on the announcement docket. Oh, that's the guy that says he's running late. Yeah, he called and said he's running late, so. Not here, okay.
May I be excused for a while?
Yeah.
For how long?
Oh, I mean, it's just. I mean, he said he was coming, so, I mean, we're still in our docket, we hadn't,
I'll be back.
okay. Yeah, sure. Okay. Jane Leger. This is call number 327-216, call number 329-361, calls number 331-248, calls number 332-260, and calls number 332-262. All 5 cases are styled for the state of Texas versus Shane Tyler Leger. Mr. Leger, is that your full name?
Yes.
Mr. Leger, how are you doing? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Leger, you're here represented by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimler. Attorney Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, Your Honor.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gilliam and Mr. Johnson, does the state have a recommendation in this case, or in these cases?
Yes, Your Honor, we're still maintaining our motion, and we feel like you said for a contested hearing.
Mr. Kimler?
I can't disagree with that. Your
Okay,
Honor.
so we're gonna set it for contested hearing. You guys give us a hearing date. Probably 6 days, yeah, yeah. Yeah, okay, and we're gonna probably shut him at,
They still want them to report.
yeah, he's still on probation. He's still on probation,
Sorry, you'll need to call contact his probation.
yeah,
Contact.
okay. This one, we're gonna set it, probably for 11 o'clock that day. Well, we may have to get back with you. Okay, we're gonna do February 10th. Okay, this case will be reset for a hearing on February 10th. Mr. Kimler,
Yes, sir.
you're gonna sign for his recess. Once you get your reset, Mr. Leger, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Hey, Porter. Jefferson County Court of Law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session in 3 cases. First case is cause number 332-632. Second case is cause number 332-634. And the third case is cause number 333-288. All 3 cases are styled the state of Texas versus Michael Hawkins. Mr. Hawkins, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Hawkins? Okay, Mr. Hawkins, you're here with your attorney Marcus Wilkerson. Attorney Wilkerson, how are you doing?
I'm well, thank you.
Mr. Wilkerson, what is your announcement in Mr. Hawkins' cases?
Your Honor, the state, and Mr. Hawkins have reached an agreement. However, we would like to reset this case for Monday. I know Monday is a long docket. I did explain to Mr. Johnson that I've got several sittings in 252nd CDC as well, but it's for a time, it's a time offer.
Okay,
And Mr. Hawkins has a funeral that he's planning.
okay, so you're gonna study for this Monday?
Yes, Your Honor.
Give us a date for this Monday. What is that? Okay, case has been reset for January 9th, 2023. Mr. Hawkins, your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. We'll see you on Monday.
I'll take you.
Next case is cause number 332-708. Case is style of state of Texas versus Jashuniel Ray Berry. Mr. Berry, is your full name Jashuniel Ray Berry?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Berry?
I'm doing right.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Berry. You're here represented by your attorney. Right, could we say we have some bond conditions in this case?
I'm still doing well.
Hmm?
I'm still doing well.
Oh, okay, yeah, how you doing? Would, you gonna, we have some? We do? Okay. Okay, now, Mr. Kimler, what is your announcement in Mr. Berry's case?
Ready.
Okay, was this an announcement? This is on the announcement docket.
We're ready to announce contested hearing, I guess.
Ready to announce what?
Contested hearing.
Well, this is on the, this is not MTRP,
Oh, I'm sorry.
so you're gonna set it for
I'll
trial?
set it for trial. Yeah, we'll see. We're on the MTRP docket today on Friday.
We have MPRP and announcement. This is, I'm in the announcement, he's on the announcement docket right now.
We'll set it for trial.
Okay, we're gonna reset it for trial. Give us a trial date, March 13, 2023. Mr. Berry, your case will be set for trial. Your attorney is gonna sign for your reset. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Kim, I think this is your
That's
last
it.
case. Okay, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Jefferson County Court, law number 2 is back in session. Court is in session with our motion to revoke probation docket. In this case, we have on the motion for probation docket is cause number 328-744, case is style, the state of Texas versus Janika Gilliam. Ms. Gilliam, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Gilliam?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Ms. Gilliam, I have, in this case, Ms. Gilliam, I have before me a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. State, you like to make an announcement in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. The state has moved to dismiss its motion to revoke probation.
Okay, Ms. Gilliam, the state has moved to dismiss this motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. And I am signing the motion to dismiss the motion to revoke your probation. And that simply means that the state is not moving forward on the motion to dismiss probation. So you still have, I think February 3rd will be when your probation ends, is that correct? I think she went on probation February 4th of 2022 for 1 year.
Yes, sir. February 3rd.
Okay, so you're still on probation till February 3rd, okay? Just stay in contact with your probation officer, Mr. Gilliam.
You will need to report over there today.
Okay, go ahead, right, and I'll be here.
Yes, Ms. Reeves will be with you.
Okay, and then, I forgot what to talk about that, okay, so I'll probably remember.
Okay,
Ask you afterwards.
okay, you're gonna stand on the 4X and you're gonna give her, you got a copy of her dismissal? She's gonna give you a copy of your dismissal. Once you get a copy of your dismissal, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Oh, that's what I want to make the other people do.
And congratulations.
Thank you.
All right.
You know, and that door right there is locked.
Toronto.
So the thing is it was too pricey for him to come out here. For me to pay him.
So you didn't hire him? Is that what
I
you're saying?
spoke to him about taking up the case. I did not hire him.
Okay, so you still need time to hire an attorney?
Actually, could I see about using a court appointed attorney?
See if you qualify for a court appointed attorney? Okay, Mr. Bailiff, he's need to fill out the judge's explanation of rights of defense by attorney and an affidavit of indigence. Just have your seat. He's going to give you the forms that you need to fill out. Court is in session and calls number 330-330. Case is style State of Texas versus Jose de Jesus Medrano. Mr. Medrano, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Medrano?
Good, and yourself?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking, Mr. Medrano. I see here that your case was reset to give you an opportunity to hire an attorney. Have you hired?
Right,
an
well,
attorney?
what happened was, last month, my job, he put us out for work for 3 weeks. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it, so I was just wondering if for right now, if I could get a court appointed attorney, because our hours dropped as well, they don't pick back up until.
Okay, just have a seat, and the bailiff is gonna give you some documents. One is called a Jefferson County Affidavit of Indigence, and the other document that he's going to give you is called Judge's Explanation of Rights to Defendants Without Attorney. Just have a seat. He's gonna give him the same two documents.